Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Aprilia Tuono 1000R. We're going to take a walk around this upright sports bike and then we will fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike has got a little under 21,400 miles on it, but is in excellent condition. Found a couple of nicks on it, but other than that, no down damage, no tip over damage. So as you can see by the front end here, we're in good shape. It's got a very good front tire on it, plenty of miles left on it. One of the things I have noticed on this is the sticker here is a little roughed up and faded. It does come with bar end mirrors. It also has a tank pad. And we have one little rock chip here on top of the gas tank right up front. Other than that, it's got twin Leo Vinci exhaust. It's also got stand spools. You can see by the rear end. It's got a very good rear tire on it too still. Plenty of miles left on that. And again, Leo Vinci exhaust. Stand spool. Seat, no rips, no tears. Here again, if you look at the tail end here, it's kind of hard to see in the camera with the light. Get a little better. But these aren't quite as bad as that front one, but these are a little faded too. Again, the bar end mirror. I'll have to look. I think when we start this thing, I think it's got HIDs too, but I'm not 100% sure. Fire it up. When we fire it up here, we'll take a look. Alright, show you those miles now. Oh, that's the trip meter here. Hang on a second. There we go. 21,378 is what's on it. Alright, fire it up here for you. I don't know, they sure look like HIDs. This Tuono will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.